Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube video on how to remove a HP Envy 17 laptop battery. The model number for this laptop is 3000 EA. This is the back of the laptop. Before you start, we just need a couple of tools. One is a draper screwdriver. This is what it looks like. Look at the tip. And it comes in a set that looks like this. This is the draper set. I would strongly recommend, if you're going to be doing this quite often, removing laptop covers and PCs, then this is a set that will be very useful. Also, what I found very useful is also using a magnetized screwdriver, which will help you to lift off the screws. The screws, once you've unscrewed it with the draper screwdriver, then this will help you to remove these screws because they're very small. So let's begin. This is the cover, and it's quite simple. What you need to do is you'll notice a icon which is just there. It's the battery icon. You slide this to the right, to the left, and you just remove the cover. It comes off quite easily. You will see that this is the battery. It's the biggest item here in the laptop, and what we need to do is just remove this battery. Before you do remove the battery, what we need to do is remove this cover, because as you can see, this cover here is still holding in this battery. There are a number of screws which hold this battery in. There's about 6 screws just across. I've removed all of them prior, and I'm just going to show you how to remove one of them, which is on the right. So use your draper screwdriver and you just unscrew, and this is the screw. Very tiny, very small, which is why I suggest that when you've unscrewed it, you use the magnetized screwdriver to remove it. So there should be 6 screws in all, and once you've removed them, this cover should come off and should slide off very easily, like so. And that's the second cover. Now the second cover has come off, what you need to do is remove the battery. That's what we're trying to do. But you'll notice that there are 2 screws which hold the battery in, one here and one just over here. And what we need to do is use the draper screwdriver to remove them. So, and use the magnetized, and it should just lift off quite easily. Just put this down. So that's the battery. You can see it's removed, and you can see the screws have been loosened. That's the one there, and then that's one over here, and this is what the battery looks like. So you'll also notice that the battery is still hooked into the computer, and what we need to do is detach the battery. So the battery is still hanging off, and you simply just pull the battery out from this section here. You'll see here, just bring it closer so you can see, and you pull and the battery comes out. So this is the battery, this is the cover, this is the part that attaches itself to the computer. I'll just show you that again. This is the area where you need to pull it out from, just here. So, there. this cable goes in there. And that's your battery cover removed. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please post some comments. Let me know if this video was useful to you. Thank you and bye bye.